All of the roof guard. All of the roof guard.
Emotional damage.
Welcome back to another vlog. Yours truly, One Fresh King TV, guys. I'm never able to do no intro. I could go outside because of the storm that go on bad. So just want to stay tuned, like, share and subscribe and drop a comment. Boom, I'm outside. Yeah guys, so as you can see, breeze start blow heavy. Melissa going with herself. As you may say, I'm just go and stay tuned and just go and watch the breeze. So guys, at this present moment, I was really scared. And look what happened. You guys, so you start see trees start blow down, wire them start shake, I start get nervous. You don't know what to do, guys. But me I tell you, it was epic. So same time, guys, I see this man walk past me at the gate. Homeless, you know? Oh God, man, I feel sorry for him, so I tell you. I said, John, no. And I him alone through the storm, you know, guys. Boy, I tell you, say, yo, Hurricane Melissa really do a massive impact to Jamaica, I swear. Guys, just stay tuned. Remember, like, share, and drop a comment. Zane? Yeah, man, just stay tuned. I'm gonna see Wally more go on my side. Yes, so guys, so basically this was after the hurricane. This is how the place look. Three them scatter all boat, three them drop down. You may say, boy, a whole heap of thing go. I'm not telling no lie. Watch it. What I aki tree that my side drop down. Light post over here so drop down to wire. Floor wire, internet wire, everybody there floor. See the guys, coconut tree still standing, mango tree, right? Over here so now, big old waterwood tree drop down.
Oh, no, the kid ain't the bad that.
Yes, so guys, so as you can see, that tree they rooted out of the ground completely. May I tell you, say, see, you know, bamboo and waterwood tree, apple tree, there's some mash up. Boy, I tell you, wire them pop down. Bamboo root, shell out completely. Next thing, look now again. Ooh. You see me? Palm tree over there, so shell out. See there? Big old apple tree that's in the road in the people. Boy, I tell you, bamboo root rooted out and some style. Wire them mash up too. As you see light post there, no wire twist up. See there guys, river come down. See me, all of the bush them flatten. See me I say, thank God a little shop at the corner yes and still stand up.
Really?
See me. Look across the bridge now. I see this big old tree. You don't know where the tree come from. But I tell you guys, it was an epic start, trust me. See me I say. So I don't know, just like, share, drop a comment.